stretch tyres. This is only just the start.
It's a good start, I reckon.
Yeah.
Keep right! Oh, I farted. I'll drive this up. Good morning. Early on this morning because we've been working hard on today's nugget job, and that is the W140 Mercedes VIP build, and it's finally getting some love. So I actually completely forgot we were working hard on the pink 32. I was like, Corey, can you have a look at the calendar for me? What do we got booked in? Oh, we got the paint booth booked tomorrow. Oh yeah! So we rushed, grabbed all the shit, bought me some paints, and we smashed out a day on this yesterday to get ready for today or this morning. I'll drive her down there. We just finished fixing up the bonnet, some dints, some high fills, some sanding back to 500. So it's a ghetto ass job, but it's going to be freaking auto salon spec when it's done. Alright? Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. One time flyer.
Yuck.
Nothing wrong with this. Nice car.
What's the retail on one of those?
What you could have worn. Yeah.
I'm not good.
Launch control.
Well, I think your wheels are broken.
Move, bitch. Get out of the way. Watch him fucking Mac 10 it in there and f*** the guards. Don't you fuck them guards! Oh, no. At the moment, don't care.
A few inches later.
Alright, made it. Safe to say a lot of people were pretty disgusted. Surprised we made it in the booth actually. I thought it was a bit more hectic elevations, and yeah, with the 500 point turn. We got in here, son. So now it's masking time. We've got the sunroof here, and I think we popped it up open a little bit because I want to like spray the edge so you don't see grey ass edge when you pop it open. So hopefully that works. That's pretty much it. Just doing top half, governmental grey. It's already governmental grey in the bottom half. And yeah. Cut to a time lapse of me taping up now. What is it? I'll get it totally wrong.
Insert cat meme.
Have we got? I don't know if I said it already or not. Yeah, whoa. Oh, it's sparkly as hell. That's gangster, son. Can you see it on there?
Shiny light.
I can put the phone on there.
Oh, hell!
Oh, Hercules. Yeah. Alright. It's paint mixing time, boy. And then, yeah, let's see what we can do. Which way do you go? That way or vertical? Vertical.
Wait, no, you have a vertical, yeah.
Vertical.
Yeah.
Vertical.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm not a painter.
I think you have a vertical.
Well, I'll watch this, he'll spray it and then go.
Oh!
Someone didn't eat their breakfast.
Oh!
Somebody didn't clean that.
Tight as fuck. Oh, my neck.
Oh my
I
god.
got a hernia. Yay! I lose.
We should have got Mr. Gym Boy over here.
Yeah, true, Jim boy.
I don't know why you're talking about.
Don't be talking about that.
Talk about them games,
Talk
boy.
about me. Oh, what your phone like? Yeah, you got a t-shirt. Oh. Spider or something? So
Yeah, you can do that, or you can do a leader, so 500.
Nah, it's gonna hit the knob. Oh yeah. Am I supposed to do this? Feels wrong. Where's 400 go?
Noobs. Let's go.
Oh yeah. That's nasty. Extra flavor. Looks like there's chat in it. Here he is dogging me with one to one.
Hope so. It's funny.
I'm going to use this moment to tell you that t-shirts are now online. KeepReet.com. Alright.
All the way up.
I might as well go half, but that's half.
That's brim it.
No, it's 1 to 1.
We got
Yeah.
That's an emergency exit. It'll be alarmed.
No, they know we use it. Oh, yeah, your father. That was full Star Wars nerd shit right there. Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Due to technical difficulties, we have no video footage of the painting of the car. Please and thank you. Sorry for any inconvenience that this has caused.
What are your thoughts on it?
From what I can see, not bad.
Oh, hey. So, undercoat was okay. And the rest is shit. The roof, boot and bonnet I'm pretty happy with. The roof is like show car, like that's the auto salon. And just don't worry about the rest, just don't look at the rest.
You're only allowed to look at the roof.
Yeah, let's look at the roof. Roof's okay. Yeah, don't look at anything else.
With the lens. Don't look at me.
don't look at my eyes.
Through the camera.
I got some mad runs on that quarter.
Oh.
I think this side is bad, but it's like you just like let it sit for a while, or bake that air, then you can just cut it back because in the clear. So I must have gone a little bit too hard at the start, but because I went hard on the roof, that's why it's like glassy boy. And then yeah, pretty happy otherwise. It looked kind of like 1,000 times better than what it was. And the sparkle, like the black, like the colour's gangster. It was like mafia spec. It was like
satin.
it was like a satiny, like it looked cool, but obviously you want that glossy, the VIP-ness. Penis?
I'm filming, bitch.
No, why do a film? She's baked now. Self-raising flour. She looks like she's nice and puffy.
Self-lowering flour.
Alright, let's check it out.
So much paint on there.
Oh, it's alright. Oh yeah.
Whoa. Ooh.
Real happy with that roof. I was hoping this fucking runs on the handle, but it's taped up. Real happy. The colour's way more gangster than I thought. It's real sparkly, like even in the darkness. I thought it would only be in the light. But yeah, this is much better than my last paint job. But yeah, last paint job probably went a bit light on the clear. This one I went a bit hard. So the bonnet, roof and boot in turn came out sexual. A few little dickies in there, but yeah, the worst part is like there's like 3 sections of runs. I'll have to
We got the
wet
good
that
side.
ass, off that ass back,
We got a bad side.
get the whole thing.
So we're haraging the rim. And then we're gonna fix it.
Oh yeah.
Go for a bull. What's going on here?
Here we are trying to have an early day, go have a Friday lunch and bloody take her for a cruise. My rim's hitting my guard. So we're gonna clearance it. Clearance it up.
You reckon we're gonna go this time?
Yeah, no, we got this now. Gave it plenty of clearance. So yeah, send it, son. Every time I say clearance, put it.
Oh,
You don't
yeah.
have to wear a mask.
Not even 2 seconds in.
Oh, we work together.
2 seconds in.
Not bad. Good sauce. Fucking typical. Of course we had to be stopped at the lights.
Oh shit.
You don't like my clearance. You don't like my clearance.
Where's your logbook?
Yeah, that's alright.
Good afternoon. How you going? Good, how are you? The reason why I've pulled you over today is there's a few issues with your motor vehicle.
Oh, that's What issues?
Really?
What issues?
Okay. Well, I'll start off. All of your wheels are out of camber. The ground clearance is definitely too low.
True.
And your wheels are protruding from the body of the vehicle. And you've also got stretched tyres.
What else?
This is only just the start.
a good start, I reckon.
Yeah. And you've also put rather large stickers on your windscreen.
Okay.
So just as a start, what else am I going to find?
Whatever you would find.
Okay. All right.
This is literally the first drive. Put it back on the road.
Really?
Literally, just came out of my factory.
You taping me for something in particular?
I
or?
do. I vlog the YouTube stuff, so
Okay.
it's good content.
Alright, no worries. Just one long breath in the straw till I say stop. Yep.
It's a test, Clarence.
What I'm going to do is for methamphetamine and cannabis. You can have any dramas with that stuff? 2 tabs there. I'll get you to run them from the back of your tongue to the front and then hand it back to me.
Is it?
No, back of your tongue. No, the 2 tabs from the back of your tongue. Just drag it down near the tongue to the front. Beautiful. Thank you. Alright. I'll get you to pop the bonnet for me, please. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It's going to be
your job. I'll do my job.
Yep, no, that's fine. It's going to be a defect notice today, obviously, and it's also going to be a fine for driving unroadworthy. Alright. Oh, how?
Not even 2 seconds.
We literally made it 500 metres down the road.
Like-
and we're sitting at the lights and the highway pulls around the corner and gets us. You always just sit in the right lane, but we would have been fine. Do you need me to explain anything?
Nah,
that's yours. I'm just going to put the sticker on your car and you're right to go.
Not another phone. Add it to the list. Oh yeah.
Damn it, Eugene.
Eugene.
Let's go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the paint and the antics and the cups. What do you call it? Rape my ass. Yeah, make sure you like, subscribe. Hope you enjoy my vids. Until next time. I made it.